Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video I'm going to be doing a Shrek themed chip bag. As you can see right now I am on Google, and the only thing that I pretty much put in my search is Shrek invitations. Whenever you are stuck on like a theme or an event, or you really can't think of what to do, I always Google invitations just to see what other people have, done, just to get an idea, some inspiration of where I want to head with my own designs. So, with that being said, let's go ahead into Publisher now, and I have a few things here, a few images that I already went on ahead and put on the screen. So let's go ahead with my first idea, I guess. Okay, so let's go ahead and set this as the background for the sides. We're going to use this for the sides. And let me go ahead and go to Format, Corrections. Let's just brighten this up a little bit. Okay. And now, even if we went back in Google, let's say we want to look up Shrek wallpaper. Let's see what we can use for the front. So let's see if we can get an idea. Okay, so I'm not really seeing anything that I want for the swamp. Yes. Okay, Shrek swamp. Let's do that. Let's look that up. Okay. Love this right here. So let's save this. And then let's get one more. Okay. Alright, now let's go ahead and go back to Publisher. Let's add these things in here. Okay, so we added this one in first. Let's just go ahead and use this one. And because this is starting to look a little bit stretched, I'm going to go ahead and crop this a little bit. So I'm going to take some of, no, not the top. I'm going to take from the sides. Okay, that should do it. So now let's stretch it back out. There we go. Now you see how it's not like stretched so much long ways. Okay, so let's go ahead and start adding in some images. So of course, we got to put Shrek and Donkey. Let's see if we can put Shrek on the back here. We can put Fiona right beside him. Let's flip it. Just like that. Alright, let's insert a border. I don't know, let's see what black looks like. Nope, that's too dark. Too dark even for me. Let's go with the green color. Now, see, the one thing about Shrek that just like throws me off is the colors. Like, I just cannot get past the. It's just so much green, so much green. It's just hard for me to get past all the green. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go back on here because I'm getting stuck my goddamn self. Okay, I am seeing orange. I'm seeing orange. I'm seeing green. I'm seeing blue. Okay, let's try blue. That is a terrible blue. Okay, let's go back to green. Lord have mercy, that's terrible. Hey. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad, but just not. I really don't like it. Alright, let me switch some things around. Because I'm not feeling this. Let's get, no, I don't want to get rid of that. Let's get rid of that blue. Let's take this and let's go back to format. Let's uncrop this picture. Now, let's see what it looks like if we make this picture the background. Stay with me. Alright, we're going to make this picture the background. So now let's push this backwards. Too far back. Okay. Now let's take this black. Let's make this the front. Alright, this is looking a whole lot better to me. Okay, you guys, I think we are making some freaking progress here. Let me tell y'all, that first design, nope, nope, it was not looking too good. Not to me, it was not looking too good. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Bring forward. Just testing some things out, trying to see what look right, what don't look right. Okay, that kind of looks like they're coming out of the frame. Okay, I like this a whole lot better. So let's even go to insert shapes. Let's insert another piece to a border. Now I think if we added some blue in, it would be pretty. So no shape outline. Okay, that to me looks, yeah. Let's copy that little turquoise looking thing. Alright, you guys, I'm feeling a whole lot more confident with this. Okay, now let's go ahead and add in some words. Y'all, I was getting thrown off. Okay, let's hurry up and just insert, let's do happy birthday. What the heck was that? Okay, let's do the green with the blue outline. I don't know. Let's bring them down. Alright, now let's look for a quote to go on the back. Calling all ogres is okay, calling all ogres. I like that. Okay, let's go to insert. Should I capitalize ogre? Did they have it all caps lock? No, they didn't. Okay. I'm gonna caps lock it anyways. Let's insert some more. Alright, let's shrink this down. These pictures will be available on my Patreon page. Okay, I don't think that turned out too bad. I don't think it turned out too bad. But as always, if you go to you know, Google, you can get a lot of your, well, not a lot, you can get all of your images from Google. There is a ton of images, and you want to try to get the images that do not have the backgrounds to them. So when you click on them, like these little gray and white squares should appear in the background. Now this one right here would not be one that I would download. It does not work. It's, I don't know, those are like fake transparent backgrounds. If you can see it like this on Google and it has the blocks, don't go for that image. Just don't do it. Yeah, you see how the little blocks appear? They will appear once you click on the image. They shouldn't already be on the image, if that makes sense. Okay, so you know what? I feel like we need to brighten this up. I don't know why. I feel like it's just a little bland. Let's put just a speck of yellow. Let's put some type of happiness in here. Let's make it like a pale yellow. Oh no, I moved the wrong thing. Did I or no? Okay. Alright, I felt like some type of happy color had to come up in here. It was just looking a little bit too dark, too plain. Okay, well, if you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to ask. You know, you can always change the color of the picture too. Go to format, go to corrections. That's terrible, but I'm just showing you that you can do it. Anywho, I will see you guys very soon. Bye.